I'm going to demonstrate the features of the profile slice available in the PointCloud software. I've got a bus that I scanned. I need to create a 3D model from this. Earlier you saw an example where the data was captured with a total station using evidence recorder. Here we're going to be doing the same thing using a PointCloud. So I'm going to select the cutting plane toolbox. I've got two options available here. Profile slice is what I'm going to be using. I've set these slices up ahead of time to expedite the demonstration here. But I've got a plane that I defined horizontally. This interval here will tell me how far the slice will move up and down as I toggle these keys. Again, my options are forward and backward, which in this case are up and down. You can see the outline of the plane defined with the red box. I'm going to lock it into a top-down view in preparation for drawing. It's going to be drawn in the temporary mode. And in the temporary mode, I have a draw curved polyline option. That's not available in the permanent mode. I'm going to tell it to apply the slice. Here you can see that it's taken a clean slice out of the bus. Go into the draw mode. I'm going to start to trace the outline of the bus on the horizontal plane. I'm going to toggle off the point cloud here to inspect my line work, and if I'm happy with it, I'm going to accept it. Let's switch back to the drawing and show some of the lines that I drew ahead of time on the horizontal plane. I'm going to rotate this in 3D so you can get a view of it. And since the plane was defined as a flat plane, my line work is going to come out flat and uniform. Return to the top-down view. Go back, and I'm going to load the vertical slice that I have. Again, it's based on the same interval. I can move it forward and backward on the bus. And the movement is defined by the alignment of the plane. So I'm going to apply the slice here. Again, lock it into a top-down view. My options are to snap on plane or point projected. The points are going to end up on the plane. The point projected option exists if there is no point data available. It will still draw a line on the same plane as if you had on plane selected. Here I'm doing an outline of the lines that are visible. The right side. I go up to the top and capture the top curvature there. Toggle off the point cloud, inspect my line work, and if I'm happy with it, accept it. I put my horizontal and vertical lines on different layers here, so all I've done here is turned on the vertical layer. The line work is drawn in a blue line for the purposes of the demonstration here. Rotated it into 3D so you can see the line work. There you can see what was drawn on the vertical plane. Return back to the point cloud, toggle off the profile slice. Back into the view mode. I'm going to transfer the line work that's on the CAD drawing over. You can see that it's not appearing. Because I have it toggled off for now, I'm going to reload it again here. This toggles the line work visibility from the CAD program onto the point cloud on and off. You can see the outline of the bus there that I've created so far. It needs a bit more work in order to complete it, but you get the idea on how this works.